In today's video, I'll teach you how to set up Facebook page. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. Instead of that, you can also open the Facebook application if you want. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. So if you want to set up the Facebook page, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is look at left. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option, see more, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find more options over here. Click on this option, pages, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the pages interface. In order to set up a new page, click on this option, create page, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to create the page. You'll be able to create a new public page, or you can also upgrade your existing profile if you want. So if you want to create a public page, click on this option, public page, that you can see on the screen. Now click on this option next, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to get the information regarding creating the new page. You can see over here, if you create a page, you'll be able to use the advanced professional tools. You can also assign access to others. You can also get actionable insights. So click on this option, get started, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the page. What you have to do is simply enter the page name over here. Now after you enter the page name, also enter the category. Click on the field of category. Now what you have to do is simply type something. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can also add more categories if you want. You can also enter the bio. It is completely optional. If you want to enter the bio, click on this option, bio, and you'll be able to do it. Now over here, you'll be able to see your page preview. What you have to do is click on this option, create page, that you can see on the screen. Now your page has actually been created. Now you'll be able to finish setting up your page. You can see over here you'll be able to enter the contact information, location information, hours, etc. So provide the contact information like website, phone number, and email. Here I'm just going to enter the email address. Now after you do that, scroll down. You can also select the location, enter the address, city or town, zip code, hours, etc. Also, you'll be able to see this option for hours. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Keep in mind those options will vary according to the page category that you selected. Now, you'll be able to add the profile picture and cover photo. So what you have to do is click on this option, add profile picture. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to add the profile picture. What you have to do is simply click on the picture that you would like to add and click on the open option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the profile picture has been added. Similarly, add the cover photo. Click on the option add cover photo. After you do that, what you have to do is simply click on the photo that you would like to add as the cover photo. Now you can see over here the cover photo has also been added. You can also drag the photo in order to reposition it. Likewise, you can also add the action button. Click on this option, action button. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to customize your action button. Click on this option, try it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to choose an action button. What you have to do is simply click on the action button that you would like to choose. Now after you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the step 3 of setting up your account. You can also connect WhatsApp to your page if you want. If you want to do that, click on this option WhatsApp number and enter the number over here. After you do that, click on this option get code, enter the code sent to your WhatsApp number. After that, the WhatsApp will be connected to your page. You can also skip it if you want. For me, I'm just going to skip it. Now you can also build your page audience. You can invite your friends in order to like or follow your page. So what you have to do is click on this option, invite friends, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to invite the friends. Simply click on the friend that you would like to invite. Now click on this option, send invites, that you can see on the screen. Now that particular friend will be invited. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to manage the notification settings of your page. You'll be able to find this option for page notifications on your profile. Toggle on or off this button according to your choice. Likewise, toggle on or off of this button for marketing and promotional emails about your page. After you're done, click on this option done that you can see on the screen. Now you've successfully set up your page. Now your page has been created. So like this, you'll be able to set up the Facebook page. So that is how you set up Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.